كان فلما جاء رمضان قال من شاء صام ومن شاء أفطر. Today's hadith is found in the collection of Imam al-Bukhari, where al-Mu'mineen Aisha radiallahu anha narrates that when that Ashura, the day of Ashura, the 10th of Muharram, people in the time of Jahiliyyah used to fast during that day. But when they moved to Medina and Ramadan became the month in which fasting became obligatory, the obligation of fasting Ashura has dropped. And so that's where the Prophet ﷺ said, whoever wants can fast, and whoever wants can eat. They don't have to, it's not obligatory for them to fast, so it was optional. And first and foremost, what this hadith teaches us is that the Sharia came in gradually. It gradually brought in and introduced the different legislations that we now know. Right now, when we look at Islam as a holistic religion and the different rulings, it's all compiled together. But at the time of the Prophet ﷺ, it would come gradually, and we all know this. In the time of Mecca, in the time of Medina, how the rules came in time after time. And one of the reasons in which the Quran revealed these different ahkam over a period of time is so that it's not something that's difficult for the believers at that time to apply in their lives, right? So this is one of the wisdoms in which Islam will slowly introduce things into the religion and make it obligatory or make a legislation, right? And so when Ramadan became obligatory, Ashura was something that's optional. And you can tell that in the wording of the Prophet ﷺ, where he says, فَمَنْ شَاءَ صَامْ, whoever wants can fast it, and وَمَنْ شَاءَ فَلْيُفْطَرْ, and whoever doesn't want to fast it, they can eat, and there's no blame, right? And here's the piece, and here's where you look at the Arabic language, that how it's presented, that if someone doesn't fast, then they shouldn't be blamed for it, and they shouldn't feel guilty, right? If you do it, that's great, but Islam recognizes that different people have different capacities, right? Some people, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala opened the doors for them in prayer, some of them in charity, some of them in teaching the Quran, some of them in teaching the Islamic knowledge. So there's different doorways and different paths in which you can pursue, and it's up to you to find where your strength lies, right? For many people, fasting is actually really hard. It's a real long day. They're out in the sun the whole day. It's difficult. They don't have the strength and the capacity to fast, and it's going to make it really, really difficult upon them. So if they don't fast that day, then it's fine, right? There's no blame upon them at all. And this is what this hadith teaches us. Allahu a'lam. يروي الإمام البخاري في صحيحه عن عائشة رضي الله عنها عن أم المؤمنين عائشة رضي الله عنها كان عاشوراء يصام فلما نزل رمضان قال من شاء صام ومن شاء أفطر. صدق رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه